The watch comes with 60 Hz refresh rate, which provides a buttery smooth user experience. The Watch 3 Pro comes with built-in GPS, which helps track your outdoor workouts more accurately. You can use the crown on the side to scroll through the interface. Always handy. Hi there! This is the Nothing Watch 3 Pro, and it's an upgrade from its predecessor in every department. You get a bigger and a better display, there are more sports modes available now, better GPS tracking, and so much more. However, it does miss out on one small thing, which we shall talk about further in this video. But before we get there, let's start with a quick unboxing.
So here's the retail packaging. You have the image of the watch right here, Watch 3 Pro. Towards the back on the top, you have some key features, which we'll talk about further in this video, manufacturing details, and the MRP of 9,999. All right, nice and slim box. So without further ado, let's quickly open it up. Actually, I realized you don't need the knife. Simply pull. There you go. So right in the center is the watch itself. Then we have the straps, black silicone straps. Then we have this huge booklet. This is in English, safety guide, quick start guide, whatever you might call it. And finally, a USB-A charging cable that comes with pogo pins that magnetically aligns and attaches to the watch charging terminals. The magnets are pretty strong, so they won't snap off easily.
So let's quickly fix the straps. It comes with a hook mechanism, which when you pull, you can lock it in place. There you go. It's a fairly simple process.
All right, let's have a closer look at the watch. So right on the top here, you can see there's a QR code. This is basically to scan and download the Nothing X app, which will help you set up the watch. Let's remove this. Oh wow, that looks very, very eye-catchy. You can spot the CMF branding here, CMF by Nothing. And the bezels, though thick, actually look really eye-catchy. I love this design, kind of like a disc, you might say. By the way, the whole frame is metal, feels really nice. The bottom part though is polycarbonate, but the top section is definitely metal, feels so premium. On the other side here, you can spot there's a single button with a red accent to it. Really nice. I think this will also help you rotate through the interface. We'll have a look at it in just a moment. Towards the back is made of plastic and it houses the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, and the charging terminals below. If you look closely, you can also spot the speaker here and a couple of microphones, which should help you for phone calls. And obviously 20 bands that you can remove by pulling this hook mechanism, fairly simple to replace. Overall, the build quality and design are truly eye-catchy.
The Nothing Watch 3 Pro comes with IP68 rating, which technically on paper means you have water and dust resistance. So you can wear it in the rain, you can wear it for a workout, you can even wear it for a run, but it's not advisable to be worn for swimming, which is why probably there's no swim tracking on board. According to me, you can still wear it in the pool, but just in case it gets damaged due to water, it won't be covered under warranty. So use it in the pool at your own risk.
All right, let's have a closer look at the display. Well, the first thing you need to know is that we get a 1.45-inch AMOLED display with a really, really high resolution. The first thing that instantly grabs my attention is that the bezels are actually all shrunken into this side bezel here. So what we get inside is a full display going edge to edge. Check that out.
Nothing claims 670 nits of peak brightness, which is not groundbreaking, but it's more than enough to see the display outdoors on a bright sunny day.
Alright, let's have a quick look at the interface. Well, the first thing that you'll instantly notice is the ultra smooth 60 Hz refresh rate. Buttery smooth, very well optimized, not even a hint of lag or stutter. Absolutely love it. Press this to go to the home screen, press it again to access the menu, and you can use the crown to rotate. You get this haptic feedback. It's ultra smooth, very well optimized, feels so premium. Check that out. Just love it. And of course, the black and red, that combination of monochrome and red really gives it a very, very cool look. All right, diving in further, swipe from up, you can access the quick toggles, do not disturb, sleep mode, raise the wrist to wake the display. Then you can adjust the brightness of the display from here, and you can also set it to auto brightness. Basically, it will understand the brightness in the room and adapt accordingly. Currently, we'll just set it to 2 because we are recording. Then you can turn on the display to use it as a torch, handy at night. Then of course into settings. Then your watch faces. If you dive in here, you can see more watch faces in here. There's some really cool ones. Wow, that looks really nice. I really love this one. The black, red, white, it looks so cool. Then swipe from down to access missed call alerts and notifications. You can see some there. Then swipe right to access the widgets. You have the daily activity, you have the recent activities. Then you can connect to your music player, and the music you can control from here. So just for example, if I'm playing this song here, coincidentally Dhurandar's album art is also black, white and red. So cool. Moving further in, you can see your sleep tracking, which we haven't used it for. This is to measure your heart rate. I absolutely love this animation. It's so cool. We'll measure this further. Coming back, you can go to contacts, you can see the time, you can go to phone, you can see the weather, and you're back to the home screen. It's really, really nice. Now diving in back to the settings, just to give you a quick look, then you can change the app view from default to grid view. I personally prefer the default view, which is the list view. Then you have display and brightness, auto screen off time, brightness level, screen on time, everyone's favorite always on mode is also available. So you can match it to the watch screen, or you can preset from here. There are a couple, they're monochrome ones, so that's something you'll have to adjust with. I wish this also supported color always on mode, but sadly it doesn't. So this is where you can see the always on mode. It's a little subtle, it's monochrome, but it's basically there to save battery, and you can see the time and some more information. So that's what you get, so keep that in mind. Moving further into the display settings, there's double tap to wake, double tap for notifications, then there is sounds, you have call volume, you have notification volume, alarm, silent it from here, passcode, you can set a passcode for the watch, which is handy, return to watch, do not disturb, sleep mode, battery saver, quick gestures, there's haptic, you can set it to standard, workout detection, yes, it has auto workout detection. It reminds you when you've started your workout and it will start it for you, which I think is always very, very handy. Make sure you turn that on. Language, system menu, restart, power off and reset, and you can pair with another device, whatever you want. So overall the interface is really, really nice, smooth, and more than anything else, it's very, very simple. It's clean, simple and easy to use. Absolutely love it. So to make phone calls from this watch, come to the menu and scroll down to phone calls. There you can see phone call, you have recent calls, frequent contacts and keypad. I'm just going to keypad and randomly dialing a number and clicking dial. Here you can see the phone is being called. And the audio that you're hearing is from the watch speaker. As you can see, it's so loud and clear. Amazing. You can mute the mic, you can control the volume, and you can end the call directly after you're done talking. And similarly, you can also receive incoming calls directly on your watch. Of course, there's a ringtone that you can hear. There's also a vibration alert. You can see the caller's name. You can reject the incoming call, silent the incoming call, and press this button, answer the call and talk to the other person directly using a smartwatch. It's so convenient. Also, once you're done talking, you can end the call directly from here. Very convenient. Talking about the calling experience. Well, firstly, the speaker on this watch gets quite loud and can be easily used indoors as well as outdoors in a noisy environment. The opposite person had no trouble hearing me at all, so I'd say the mics do a stellar job at isolating all the ambient sound. The Nothing Watch 3 Pro is very reliable for phone calling. When it comes to the fit and comfort, this watch weighs at 52 grams, which is actually quite light. Silicone straps provide an excellent grip on your wrist, very breathable and convenient. Also, it's a watch that you can comfortably wear at night to track your sleep, or else what's the point? Coming to health tracking. So we first tested the heart rate, and I must say, love the animation. There you go. Then we tested SpO2 and finally stress tracking. Now as you saw, we got the readings for all. Heart rate is probably the most reliable. SpO2 not so much on any smartwatch actually. So use these health parameter readings just for your reference and not for medical purposes. Coming to fitness and workouts. So the Nothing Watch 3 Pro comes with over 100 plus workout modes, and they have 16 on board. Come here and you click on exercise, and here you have the 16 most often used ones: outdoor workout, outdoor run, indoor workout, outdoor workout, indoor cycling, soccer, yoga, mountain hike, hiking, cross training, boxing, free training and more. Now when you come here, now you go to the app and here you'll see common sports. And here if you see, you have these 16 that are already available on the watch. If you want to add more, you come here and you can add from here. Everything that you're looking for. Zumba, there for dance. Then there's leisure sports. Coming down here, there's ball sports. Oh my God, there's such a huge list. There's water sports as well. Sailing, surfing, jet skiing, kayaking. Then there's snow sports. The only thing that I find missing is that it doesn't support any kind of swim tracking, which is kind of a little surprising because that would have been just amazing. So we used this watch briefly for an outdoor workout and it got a fix on the GPS in just a couple of seconds. So that's sorted. During your workout, you can see the details on the screen itself, which is very handy. Then when you end your workout, you can see your workout summary right on the watch display itself. Plus, you can access even more data on the companion app. Coming to the battery. So this watch comes with a 350 mAh battery and Nothing claims it will last you for about 13 days with typical use. But practically that would be about 8 to 9 days, and with always on mode it would be about 4 to 5 days, which personally I think is more than adequate. It takes less than an hour to fully charge, so that's great. Let's have a quick look at the Nothing X companion app. So right here you can see the image of the watch, you can see the battery percentage, we still have 65%. Dial gallery, this is basically the watch faces, you can choose the preset that come here. Click on this and there's so many more that you can download. There are custom watch faces, there's digital watch faces, so suppose you like this one, you don't want something confusing, replace this one, and there you go, the watch face is loaded. Really convenient, and I would also like to say it's really fast. Then of course you have custom running coach, you have 16 common sports modes, health monitoring, notifications. You come in here, you can choose from which app you want notifications and from which apps you don't. So that all you can set from here. Then of course, coming back here, you can set alarms, widgets, reminders, recording transcription, which I think is going to be very handy. Then device settings, frequent contacts, quick reply, auto workout detection is available, raise the wrist to wake the display, sync with system calendar, quick gestures, crown shortcuts, do not disturb, music control, weather updates, world clock, factory reset, unbind device. My God, everything you're looking for is here, including when there is a software update. So here it's showing the watch is full updated. All right, final thoughts. So we don't have the price at the time of making this video, but my best guess is somewhere around 5,000. The only con for me is that it lacks swim tracking, which probably won't matter to most people. Talking about the pros, well, it comes with built-in GPS, you have a gorgeous AMOLED display, metal build, and a really cool and clean user interface. Definitely recommended if you're looking for a smartwatch that doesn't break your bank account. It will be available in 3 gorgeous colors. I know, everyone loves orange. I'll share the links of all below in the description. If you'd like to buy one or even 2, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.